What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be installing my new GT4 lip on my M3. I actually hate how this car looks like without a lip, so this is going to, be one step closer to fixing my issue and also helping my build look more aggressive, because as you can see I got the CT style Sabon carbon hood, and then I have the Marshy Marho front grills and the intake scoops. Let's see if you can see that. Never comes up on cameras. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and install it. Pretty excited. I actually got this for about 300 bucks from a company called a Europlug. I'll put their stuff down in the description, and it's actually very, very good quality. They say that the fitment is perfect and I shouldn't have any fitment issues. And it came with the hardware, so it's just a matter of either removing the bumper, putting it on, or trying to see if I can get it on without removing the bumper. But yeah, I'll keep you guys posted and bring you guys along the way. So, one more shot of this beautiful, beautiful carbon fiber. Alrighty, we got the bumper off, and I installed my little custom-made carbon fiber reflectors. And so now it's just a matter of putting the lip on and then seeing how it looks like on the car. And damn, it looks nice like that. I wish I could drive without a bumper. This is definitely going to be interesting because I've already been scraping a lot. So taking off the wrap. So with this added, it's going to be interesting to see. Alright, so I kind of got a little template. There's already two pre-made holes that they use. And on this side, I need to come back and redo it, but at least the middle. So what I did was I put painter's tape like where the screw holes are, and I just kind of drilled it because there's washers. I was pretty spot on for a couple of them, but I need to do the middle part. So I guess like if you guys want to see what I'm talking about, let's see if I can show you guys. So like here, I drilled that hole, and then down there's painter's tape. So I just kind of eyed it. These are a little harder to get to, so I think I'm gonna have to go from the other side to do that. But I got almost all of them so far on the outside, and then I tried to do that one, which I think it'll fit, but I think it would be easier to go from the other side. Alright, so I kind of mocked it up and I mounted it with every screw except for these four, and then I just stuck a Sharpie and marked the locations. I was pretty close on this one, pretty far off on the rest. So now I'm just going to drill them out real quick. There she is, she's mounted. Looks pretty good. I mean, fitment's pretty good. The only questionable, I guess, area would be just right here. But maybe I can mess with that to see if I can get it a little better. But, yep. So, we're out here, just installed the lip. I thought I'd give you guys a better look than in my garage. So, bam. I think it looks super aggressive. Of course, the fitment could be a little better, but I think that's a little bit my fault right there. I was just too lazy to drill in another hole. But I'll fix that soon because I'm going to rewrap the car, and like I said, I just wanted to get it on. So yeah, there's that GT4 lip. I think it really sets off the car. I hated the car without a lip, and now I like how it looks. There you guys go. Thanks for watching. I'm doing a lot more stuff to this car, so consider subscribing if you want to see that. Take care.